Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this Raineverry 4-piece surround sound system. So in this system you're going to get the subwoofer, the soundbar, and of course the two smaller speakers. So the surround sound gives you a better sound experience than your traditional TV speakers while remaining cost effective. Just gives you a little bit more inclusive atmosphere in movies and things. It's a Dolby Atmos sound supported system, so it's going to have a great sound to it. It's really easy to install, sets up in just minutes. The speakers are going to be wireless, so you're not going to have to worry about any wires running around, being seen anywhere. Not going to be running across the floor, strung up on the walls, or wherever you want to put them. You don't have to worry about that. It's got the long-lasting battery life in them. So really nice product. Pretty excited to get this set up. Shouldn't take too long at all. If you run into any problems, they'll have great customer service and support that can help you with anything that you might need. But I'm going to go ahead and get this opened up, and then we'll show you what's all inside and then get everything set up. So I've got the package opened up and everything removed from their individual wrappings. This is everything that's going to come in the box. So you see there's plenty of hardware to get everything done that you'll need to get done, put it where you want. Of course, you got the main subwoofer there, the big box, two smaller boxes, those are going to be your speakers. Then of course the long black box is obviously the sound bar. You have your user manual along with a warranty card. If you're somebody that got your TV mounted and you want to mount the sound bar, it does come with a mounting template as well, that white paper there. Of course, your small parts for that, as well as batteries for the remote that comes with it. You'll also have a power adapter for the sound bar, two power adapters for the speakers. If you don't want to go with the just relying solely on the batteries, you can plug those in. Comes with an RCA 3.5mm audio cable, the power cable for the subwoofer, a digital optical cable, HDMI ARC cable, and that's everything that you'll need that comes in the box. So we'll go ahead, get all this stuff set up. Again, it's really just plugging everything in at this point. It shouldn't be too complicated, but we'll get that set up now. So I've got everything hooked up. Like I said, it was super easy. You just had to follow the instructions if you needed. But everything's pretty much just a plug and play system. You can't really cross any wires up or get anything wrong, but I've got the bar hooked up, and all I had to do was go into my TV settings and tell the TV to look for the new audio output, which was going to be this sound bar. But I've got the sound bar here right up under the TV using the optical cable that it came with it for the sound. The subwoofer right here under the TV, and then of course the surround sound speakers. I have one here on that side of the couch and the other here on this side of the couch. So really easy setup. It was quick, easy. Everything came paired out of the box, so I didn't have to do anything but plug it in. And then for the remote, you see here, I'll try to get a little bit of a picture. But you can actually hook up some Bluetooth, music. It can hook up to different things. All you have to do is, just like any other Bluetooth device, just ask for it to start searching and pair whatever it is you want to pair. And that's what all these controls are going to do. Obviously, your bass is going to control your subwoofer function volume, and then the surround volume knob over here controls your two surround sound speakers that you have. So just fool around with that till you get it to the optimal sound that you want. And then of course this is your master volume here. It controls the actual soundbar and the other surrounding features, but you can actually do the individual settings with a remote here. But now that I've got all this set up, it's actually paired to my TV remote, so I don't have to use two different remotes. All right, so like I said earlier, I've already got everything paired to my TV remote, but I am going to go ahead and use the actual surround sound system remote and just kind of show you how you can control the individual aspects of the system. So you can control the bass and the surround sound speakers that are placed in the back of your room. So I'm really hoping that the camera can capture all this, because I've gone through this already and it sounds incredible. So I'm really hoping that it picks up on all of that, but I'll go ahead and just show you as we're going through. You'll see right here where it says optical. This is where it lets you know what exactly your sound system is being generated through. So like I said, I've got the optical audio in there, and that's what I've got it selected to, but you can use the ARC cable if your TV is set up to use an ARC cable, or if you're using a Bluetooth anything, you can pair Bluetooth to this and do the exact same thing. But I actually found a really good surround sound video on YouTube, so I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to show you as well try to, hopefully it really captures the sound essence that this is generating, because it sounds phenomenal. I mean, like, you get all the sounds around you. It's like you're actually sitting in the middle of everything that it's showing. So we'll go ahead and walk through that real quick, and I'll show you how you can set the individual adjustments from the bass as well as these rear speakers. Right, so I'm going to use the surround sound now, and that's going to adjust these speakers on the sound bar and the two in the back of the room. I'll turn those up a little bit. And now I'm going to go for the bass, get this thunder, see if you can really pick up on that. I'm going to play around with it a little bit more until I get it just right, but I really hope this film captured just how great all of this sounds, because it is phenomenal. It's very, like, you're right in the middle of all this stuff. It sounds awesome. It's a great looking piece, and just really ties the whole sound of the room up together. So really excited about this. It's a great product, and I highly recommend this thing. You won't be disappointed. But just in case you couldn't quite hear what I was saying over the speaker system going off during that video, for the remote, you'll see that it says surround right here. That's going to be your two speakers in the back, the actual surround system speakers. Your bass, of course, that's going to control your subwoofer, and then your volume up and down is going to control the sound bar function itself. But you can see everything else is just your standard buttons. You do have two presets here, movie as well as news. So you can just push one of these and it'll automatically set everything around to those designated setups. But just go ahead and play around with it till you get it to what you like. You might have to adjust it per whatever you're watching, but great little remote here. So super easy to use, everything's awesome. So just in case you couldn't hear me, I just wanted to make sure that got explained a little better.